If Excel formulas make you want to smash your keyboard, this tool will save your sanity. What if AI could instantly turn your how do I calculate this thing into exact Excel formula in seconds? Let me show you Formula Bot, the AI-powered formula assistant that writes, explains, and fixes Excel and Google Sheets formulas for you. Formula Bot is an AI tool that converts plain English into working Excel or Google Sheets formulas. It's built for non-techies, students, analysts, anyone who's done battling with nested IFs, VLOOKUPs, and whatever else Excel throws at you. Let's break it down with real user feedback, top 3 features and how they work, who it's for, what could be better, affiliate and API info, and by the end, I'll give you my final verdict. So before we begin, let's see what users are saying about it. Formula Bot gets consistently high ratings, averaging 4.5 out of 5 on review platforms. Users love the speed and accuracy of formula generation, the formula explainer for debugging, the Google Sheets extension. Criticism is minimal. Most complaints are about limited free usage and some missing functions in very complex cases. Now I'll break down the 3 core features of Formula Bot one by one in front of you. So first, let's start with English to Excel formula. So this is the core of Formula Bot and honestly the biggest time saver. Instead of Googling how to write countifs with multiple conditions or fighting with Excel's help bar, you just type what you want in plain English and Formula Bot does the rest. So you got to head over to the interface and here you got to type something in plain English. So just add values in column A. If column B says approved, or get the top 3 highest values from column D. Check if the date in column C is in the past, then select your format Excel or Google Sheets. Hit generate and boom, you get the correct formula instantly. Just copy and paste it into your sheet, no edits needed. It even handles advanced functions like nested IFs, VLOOKUPs, and XLOOKUPs, array formula for Google Sheets, and even index match combinations. So there is no need to remember syntax or brackets ever again. You speak human, it speaks spreadsheets. All right, that's the end of feature number 1. Now let's move on to feature number 2. So if writing code or formulas feels like a chore, Formula Bot's template feature is here to save you. They are pre-built AI-powered analysis templates you can run with just a few clicks, no coding or formula knowledge needed. So you can go to Templates tab, then pick from the categories like data prep or cleaning, organize your data set to be analysis ready, exploratory analysis, get quick stats and visual insights, data visualization, turn columns into clean auto-labeled charts, anomaly detection, highlight outliers, sentiment analysis, breakdown tone in text reviews, text classification, sort text into industry categories, keyword reports, pull search console or analytics data. Each template comes with ready-made steps. You just upload your data set, click run report, and Formula Bot handles the rest. No scripting required. This is perfect for marketers, analysts, students, or anyone who wants to generate charts, summaries, or insights without touching Excel or Python. So that wraps up feature number 2. Now let's move on to the final one. So let's be real, not everyone knows how to write Excel formulas from scratch. That's where Formula Bot's formula generator comes in. It turns natural language into Excel or Google Sheets formulas like I just told you earlier, or explain what existing ones do. So you got to go to the Formula tab and choose whether you want the formula to be generated or explained. Type your request like get the sum of column A if column B contains yes, or paste a formula to break it down IF, and like this kind of formula with yes and no. So hit submit and the AI instantly gives you results. You can copy directly to your spreadsheet, and you can also install Formula Bot as an Excel or Google Sheets add-on, so you don't have to switch tabs every time you need help. Whether you're writing complex logic, debugging something someone else made, or just learning, this tool gives you answers faster than any forum ever could. And that wraps up the 3rd feature. Now the question is, who would benefit most from this tool? So it is best for students who hate Excel, business analysts tired of writing the same IF statements, freelancers and finance pros needing fast answers, small business owners doing DIY bookkeeping, basically anyone who touches spreadsheets and wants to stay sane. As no tool is perfect, this also has some areas of improvement, limited free plan, heavy users will need to upgrade, doesn't always handle extremely complex nested logic perfectly, web version only, there's no desktop or mobile apps yet, and it also doesn't support real-time syncing with live Google Sheets edits. Formula Bot doesn't offer any affiliate program or API key right now, so no custom integration or automation is possible yet. So Formula Bot does exactly what it says. It writes, explains, and fixes spreadsheet formulas fast, It won't replace an advanced Excel expert, but for 90% of day-to-day tasks, it's a massive time saver. So let me know in the comments, what formula gave you a headache last week? Like if this tool saves your life, and subscribe for more AI tools that make you look 10x smarter at work. So I'll see you in the next video.